ونيجي بقى لأكبر مسرحية كوميدية وهي ضرب إيران للكيان. يا جماعة حرب إيه دي اللي بتبلغوا بعض قبلها؟ ترامب نفسه طلع من كام سنة وفضحهم وقال إن هم بلغونا قبل ما يضربوا القواعد الأمريكية في العراق.
They told us that don't be concerned. We're going to launch 18 missiles at your military base, but none of them will hit the base. These are very accurate missiles. These are missiles that essentially never miss. They're very reliable, very accurate.
وبرضه طلع يشكرهم إنهم بلغوه قبل ما يضربوا القواعد الأمريكية في قطر. وطبعا كلنا شفنا الصواريخ الوهمية اللي ما بتقتل نملة.
You know, they called me to tell me they have to take a shot at us. This was Iran, very respectful. That means they respect us. Because we dropped 14 bombs, they said, we'd like to take 14 shots at you. I said, go ahead, I understand. They said, where they'd do it, I said, good. We emptied out the fort. It was a beautiful military base in Qatar who treated us really fantastically well. And they said, sir, 1 o'clock, okay? I said, it was fine. We could make it later.
يا جماعة أنا عايزكم تتخيلوا إن قامت حرب ما بين مصر والكيان. دي هتكون حرب خاطفة طاحنة هيموت فيها آلاف في أول دقائق. هي دي الحرب الحقيقية، مش شوية مفرقعات في السماء بتوقيت محدد.